Tim Weller.
Matt Ewald, and we are Chesapeake Truck Works. What's up, guys? We're on this ready lift, 3-inch lift. Loosen up these lower control arms. You can drop the strut, put the spacer on the strut, throw it back up in there.
And back. So basically, with the 33-inch tires, we're getting it up a little bit so that the wheels will clear the factory bumper, and it's just a better look. So what we do is we put a lift kit on, we put wheels and tires on, and everybody's all pumped up. Then we get them on the quad over here and let them run the course. And usually what we do is, get a little friendly competition going. We put their name and their time up here, and it gets everybody jazzed. It's just a lot of fun.